collectors, gift givers, and miniature enthusiasts. Today we are taking a look at one of my favorite things, mini brands. That's right, folks, ZURU 5 Surprise Mini Brands Series 3. We bought these at Target for $6.99. It says 100 plus minis to collect. Oh yeah. I have been searching every Target in my area and I was able to find 9. And today we are going to open each and every one. My precious. Yeah, I tend to get a little excited when it comes to mini brands, so you've been warned. Series 3 is silver, but it looks like the basic idea is still the same, so we just need to open it on the side by pulling the tab. Then we're going to remove the first layer of plastic. Oh, there's a second layer of plastic. It used to be clear. It looks like this one's silver. And there's another tab, which is giving me trouble. Oh, we got it. I spoke too soon. Remove the plastic. And the ball is white. I was kind of expecting it to be silver. No worries, we're mainly concerned about what's on the inside. So let's just pull the little tab here, open it up, and pull the little plastic tab on the side to get our first mini brand. Lunchables, ham and cheddar. Nice clear picture, quality is looking superb. On the back, it's plastic, you can see the little compartments, and there's a little label. And our next one, we have a little bit of a struggle there, but we opened it. What is this? Instant Royal Vanilla. I think it's pudding. Yes, it does say pudding and pie filling. Sorry, I'm not a pudding person, so I wasn't familiar with the brand. But it's a nice little box. I'm thinking if this is pudding, it's a little large for 1/6 scale, but may work perfect for like American Girl or probably 15-inch dolls. Yeah, I would say 15-inch dolls. But I'm still going to use it on the shelves in my 1/6 grocery store because when things are on the shelves, they just look perfect. In my opinion, of course. Let's see what's inside the large wedge. And we have salsa? Hot sauce. It's a nice solid little bottle with a red cap, and there's some information on the back. And here we have the collector's guide. Ooh, and diapers. Correction, training pants. It's a little squishy, you could tell there's foam inside. That's a cute little detail. On the collector's guide, the mini brands are divided into different categories like gold, glow in the dark, metallic, common. And there's a little key on the back letting you know the availability. There is super rare, rare, collector's case exclusive, 24-pack exclusive, mini mart exclusive. And it looks like we could still end up with a few carts. I mean, yay! There appears to be a few new items, like I think that's a scale, and another display, a sign, and then we could get more shelving. The sign might be kind of cool. I could totally use that in my grocery store. We have one more wedge to open on our first mini brand, and we got the rare Crystal Light Metallic. Oh, it looks great with my background. Let's open another one. Peel the tab, remove the layers of plastic, open the wedges, peel back the plastic to reveal the mini brand. And it is cheese. Okay. We have a tub of Philadelphia cream cheese here, so the dolls will be well stocked with cream cheese. There's a lot of cream cheese in mini brands, y'all. Then we have candy. Okay, well, you know, candy. Oh, well, it does look like candy is pretty important in this series, so there's lots of options. Here we have Reese's peanut butter cups, and there is some kind of foam on the inside. Okay, let's check out this collector's guide so I know what to expect. Lots of candy and syrups, ices. I do see some popsicles there. Ooh, grape nuts. Oh man, but that one's got the little pink diamond. which means collector's case exclusive. Almond Breeze Original! Well, you know, I'm more of a vanilla unsweetened kind of girl, but I'm just being patient. And I love that there are more Almond Breeze products. And there's that cheese. Here we have, mustard is cool. Yeah, the mustard's good. And more cheese. But we do have guacamole. Yeah, I can get excited about that. And I guess diapers, because you know, there's a lot of baby showers in the doll community. And Zatarans. Yeah, let's get back to my Creole roots, y'all. Continuing with the unboxing, here we have more candy. Lollipops with natural colorings. And here we have a basket. It's a basket. Yay, baskets. I cannot hide my feelings for the baskets. For the sake of being thorough, there are instructions to help you assemble the basket. Everything just snaps together. Place the sticker on the front, and it's good to go. Now, where was I? Oh yeah, here is the collector's guide, and we have more pull-ups. I'm sorry, that's like a whole nother brand. These are training pants, making that our first double. But doubles are good, especially when you're trying to stock a grocery store. But I wouldn't be upset if we got, some Pampers. We've already got the training pants. Just saying. Wait, Pampers is the name of a brand too. They're diapers. Opening our third ball. Our first mini brand is, a box of cereal. Mom's Best Cereals, Crispy Cocoa Rice. Totally obsessed with boxes of cereal. I don't know why. Let's see what we have here. More candy. All right. And then we have... Is this candy? Really? Yes. Icy Squeeze Candy. You get it icy in a tube. I didn't know this was a thing. We're gonna need to open like a candy section in our grocery store. All right, here we have TGI Fridays Poppers. Cheddar cheese stuffed jalapenos. Box is pretty good. Got lots of details there. And our last one is that candy? Chew Crew? It's like an assortment of candies. Okay, on to the next one. Personally, I would love to see more health and beauty products, but that's just me being picky. But for real, I'm hoping for nothing but diapers. And no, we got Creamy Alfredo by Classico. The jar is actually pretty nice looking, and it's gonna look great in the little grocery store. And where's the opening? Oh, there it is. This is Shake and Bake Original Chicken. We've seen Shake and Bake products before, right? Oh yes, but those were pork, and this is chicken, so it's different. And behind this door, we have almonds. Now I know I have a billion Blue Diamond almonds. But those were low sodium, so they're different. And here we have Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid Jammers Tropical Punch, 10 pouches. I remember stuff like this from when I was a kid, but I think we had Capri Sun. Now I'm pretty much a water drinker, I love my sparkling water. Is that cheese? It is. Cheese! Kraft Singles American Cheese. It's a pretty nice size, and you can tell there's a sponge inside. Let's open another one. Voila! And I know this is a collector's guide because you can see it through the plastic. And we have more training pants. Yep, it makes my third one. No worries, I stay very hopeful that one day we will find Pampers or diapers. And this isn't it. We have another Creamy Alfredo. Okay, and then we have more pudding. What's up, pudding? And Crystal Light. Another sparkly metallic one. That makes 2. And still no diapers. Oh, but we did find a Zatarans. The box is a little larger than I thought it was going to be. It's bigger than the box of cereal. But that's okay. Now our dolls can just have a dinner party serving Zataran's jambalaya. Okay, so now the only thing that I'm really searching for is the diapers. Or are the diapers? Yeah, grammar. Could you be the one? Let's see what's behind the first little door. And it looks like we have more poppers. The box is kind of cool, so I'm okay with it. And then we have chocolate. Baker's Unsweetened. This looks very familiar. But who doesn't love chocolate, right? And we have some candy. Yep, Mementos gum. And come on. Why is this one so hard to open? There we go. What is that? It's lemonade. 8 singles to go. And this is more Zatarans. Let me tell you, jambalaya, you bring back memories. 3 to go. Do y'all see me? We are handling these doubles so well. And that is what we call growth. Now just give me the diapers and we won't have any problems. What do we have here? Almond Breeze, I forgot about you. Yes, my dolly world is complete. We have unsweetened, y'all. Almond Breeze. Yes. Mini Toya will finally be able to enjoy her cereal. Candy. It's good. It's good. Okay, candy. We're just gonna stay in that happy place and think about that almond milk, man. And there is more candy. Stay in the happy place. What do we have here? Oh, that's new. I think it's the little scale. There are instructions. Looks like this piece goes... No, that's not right. Look at the paper. This piece goes here. This goes on the bottom. Gotta turn that around. And that should fit there. Then this piece goes here. And we have some stickers. This is pretty cute. I can totally use this in the grocery store. And in our last wedge, we have Teddy Grahams. Oh, I remember Teddy Grahams. Very cute. On the side, we can see the nutrition facts, and on the back, there are little activities. Aww. This is our second to last one, and I still haven't found those diapers. Come on, man. I have a baby shower to get to. Let's see. What is in here? What's with the collector's guide? Is animal crackers. Oh, okay. Well, you know, that's not bad. Animal crackers. And it even has a little handle. That's cool. When I was a kid, I believe it was like a string, but that's pretty neat. And then we have Pez candy dispenser. But if we're just looking at those details, it's actually pretty cool looking. So that's neat. And here we have more candy. More candy. All right, let's see. I just want diapers, man. I just want diapers. Is that too much? We got Teddy Grahams. Sorry, as I get near the end, I start getting a little anxious because, you know, need the diapers. Oh, but we got guacamole. That's good. Holy guacamole. Classic. It's in a little clear container, like the little plastic ones you see in the store, and it's green for the guacamole. That's cool. And this is my very last one. So let's just go ahead and open it, pull the tab, and peel back the plastic. Oh my goodness! We got diapers! Yes! In our very last ball, we got diapers. Now I don't have to show up to the baby shower empty-handed. Just like the training pants, it's squishy, and there's details all the way around. Very cute. And in our next one, we have more unsweetened chocolate, but that's okay because we found diapers. And here we have more candy, but you know what? You can't mess up my mood now because I got most of the things I wanted, so. And here we have a seasoning, apple pie spice. It's definitely a little large for our 1/6 scale, but you know what? I'm gonna do it anyway. And our very last one is candy, of course. America's #1 cinnamon candy. I am pleasantly surprised that I was able to get all of the ones I really wanted, like almond breeze, guacamole, Zatarans, and those diapers. This series does have a lot of candy, or at least it seems that way to me. Like I mentioned earlier, I would have liked to have seen more health and beauty products like shampoo, lotion, conditioner, deodorant, stuff like that. I didn't get a ton of baskets, which is good because we have quite a few of these already. And this little scale will be a great addition to our grocery store. It is a scale, right? So there you have it. My first run of Series 3 mini brands. Let us know in the comments down below if Series 3 is a buy or a pass. Thank you for joining us while we opened a few mini brands. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!